Have you ever wondered what's at the edge of the universe? Like, if we could fly in a spaceship in one direction forever, what would we hit? Today, we are going to answer that question, and I promise you, the answer is going to blow your mind. It's one of the biggest questions humanity has ever asked, and people have some crazy ideas about it. Some think there's a giant wall, others think it's just empty blackness forever. But what if I told you that everything you think you know about the edge of the universe is probably wrong? We're going on an insane journey to debunk the top 10 biggest myths about the edge of the universe. And for every myth we bust, the truth gets even crazier and more unbelievable. This isn't just some boring science lecture. We are going to explore concepts that sound like they're straight out of a science fiction movie, but they are 100% real. We're talking about places we can never see, space expanding faster than light, and looking back in time to the birth of everything. It's going to be an epic adventure. So buckle up, because we are pushing the limits of reality itself. By the end of this video, you won't just know what's at the edge of the universe. You'll understand our place in the cosmos in a completely new way. I challenge you to watch the entire video because the last fact we reveal is the most important one of all and will change how you see the future. Let's get into it. All right, let's kick things off with the biggest, most common myth. A lot of people imagine you'd eventually just bonk into a wall, like you're a character in a video game hitting an invisible barrier. It's a simple idea, right? The universe has to end somewhere, so there must be a final boundary, a cosmic brick wall. People have pictured this for centuries, this ultimate container holding everything in. But I'm here to tell you that is absolutely 100% not true. There is no wall. There's no sign that says end of universe, please turn back. The reality is so much weirder and cooler. The edge we talk about isn't a physical place at all. It's a limit of what we can see. Think about it. The universe started with the Big Bang about 13.8 billion years ago. That means light from the most distant things has been traveling for 13.8 billion years to reach our telescopes. So anything farther away than that, the light simply hasn't had enough time to get to us yet. Our edge is just a horizon, an observational limit. It's like being on a ship in the middle of the ocean. You can see the horizon, but that's not the edge of the water. It's just the edge of your vision. This next myth builds right off the last one. If there's no wall, then does that mean our telescopes can see the entire universe? It feels like with Hubble and the James Webb Space Telescope, we're seeing everything there is to see. We have these incredible deep-field images showing thousands of galaxies in a tiny patch of sky. So, it's easy to assume that we've got the whole cosmic picture. But what if I told you that everything we've ever seen, every star, every galaxy, is just a tiny fraction of what's actually out there? That we are basically blind to the vast majority of reality? The truth is, we can only see what's inside our observable universe. That's our bubble of visibility, defined by the speed of light. But scientists are almost certain that the entire universe is vastly, unimaginably bigger than what we can observe. Beyond our cosmic horizon, there are almost certainly more galaxies, more stars, more planets, more everything. It's just that this part of the universe is so far away that its light will never, ever reach us. It's a mind-bending thought. There are entire galaxies out there that we will never know exist. It's like being in a single room of a mansion that has trillions of other rooms you can never enter. Okay, so the universe is huge, and we can only see a piece of it. But what's happening at that edge? A common idea is that the universe is expanding like a bomb, with all the galaxies flying away from a central point, and the ones at the edge are just the fastest ones. So it seems logical that the expansion must stop there, right? That the fabric of space just becomes static and calm beyond our view. It's like the universe is a big balloon being inflated, and the edge is just the rubber of the balloon itself. This sounds plausible, but again, it's completely wrong, and the truth is way more extreme. The mind-blowing fact is that expansion isn't something happening at the edge. It's happening everywhere, all at once. The space between you and the screen you're watching this on is expanding. The space between the Earth and the Sun is expanding. The expansion of space itself is happening in every single cubic centimeter of the cosmos. And here's the craziest part. The farther away a galaxy is, the faster it seems to move away from us. Beyond our observable horizon, the space is stretching so fast that galaxies are receding from us faster than the speed of light. That's right, faster than light. This doesn't break any laws of physics, and we'll explain why later, but just let that sink in. Think. So if there are galaxies beyond our sight moving faster than light, what's beyond them? This is where the imagination really runs wild. The most common guess is just nothing, a complete void, an infinite black empty vacuum where space-time and matter cease to exist. It's the ultimate abyss. It's a terrifying and lonely thought that our entire existence is just a little island of something in an infinite ocean of nothing. It makes the universe feel finite and fragile. But thankfully, science gives us a much more comforting and frankly more logical answer. Based on everything we can see, the universe is what scientists call homogeneous and isotropic. That's a fancy way of saying it looks roughly the same in every direction and in every place. The laws of physics are the same over there as they are here. The types of galaxies are the same. On the largest scales, it's all the same cosmic soup. So the most logical assumption is that this pattern continues. Beyond our horizon, it's not an empty void. It's just more universe. More galaxies, more clusters, more superclusters, stretching on and on, possibly forever. Our little observable bubble is likely just one bubble in an endless cosmic ocean of bubbles that all look just like ours. This one is a really tricky concept, so let's break it down. It's about 46.5 billion light-years. The observable universe is over 3 times bigger than most people think. It's literally a baby picture of the universe. The James Webb Space Telescope is already peering deeper into the cosmic dawn, seeing the very first galaxies forming just after the universe became transparent. These waves can travel from before the cosmic microwave background, potentially giving us a direct window into the Big Bang itself. We are on the verge of incredible breakthroughs. The quest for knowledge is not over, it's just getting started. So, what's really at the edge of the universe? The answer is crazier than we ever imagined. The universe is the greatest mystery box there is, and we're just starting to peek inside. If you want to join us on more adventures to explore the cosmos and challenge everything you think you know, make sure you subscribe to our channel.